Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You must start by confirming you have an administrator account and the Windows 11 build supports system changes. Once confirmed, backup favorites and export profiles so nothing is lost. Make sure Edge is fully closed. Use Task Manager to end any remaining mseg. exe processes. Then disable sync in Edge settings to prevent cloud restoration. You're now ready to proceed with the removal steps. Keep a restore point in mind before uninstalling so you can roll back if needed. Start with Settings, open Apps, Installed Apps, find Microsoft Edge and choose Uninstall. Follow prompts and reboot if requested. If Edge resists, open an elevated PowerShell and run Winget uninstall ID Microsoft Edge or use the official mseg setup with the uninstall flag. This forces removal. Once the app uninstall completes, check program files and app data for leftover Edge folders and delete them. Make sure to close Explorer and use admin rights. These steps remove core files and prepare the system for cleanup. After uninstall, set your preferred browser as default and delete any Edge shortcuts. Then run DISM and SFC to repair system image and recover shared components. Open Regedit only if comfortable and remove leftover Microsoft Edge registry keys. Export keys first as a backup. If Windows prevents removal or Edge reappears after updates, reinstall the same Edge version and immediately run the uninstall sequence again. This often clears stubborn components. If problems persist, restore the system point you created earlier and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.